yung ginawa ni Panelo, it is not his fault that he was lawyering yan eh. Hanap buhay namin yung mga, you cannot question that. And if he happens to be there because I appointed him, pag dumating sa kanya, in-refer niya sa the proper entity. Yun nga yung board. Panelo did not commit any infraction or he happened to be a lawyer at the time. Nobody can question kaming mga abogado, kagaya ninyo, when it is part of your duty or function, sa amin, lawyering is a part of our livelihood. Kaya kami pinaaral para pagdating ng panahon, makapagtrabaho kami, at may magpamilya kami, mapakain namin. Tama yung ginawa ni Panelo. Just a referral. Ang masama noon kung hinandle niya, but you know, I know the guy. Nobody dito sa Canlao dare talk to me about any problem. Baski ngayon magtanong ka, I have not talked to any sa cellphone, babae, marami, kausap. Yung mga fans ko. Pero kung sabihin mo about state matters, sa kayo mga start, sabihin ko, Bong, sabihin mo, magpunta na bukas sa akin. O magkita kami sa